Welcome back to my channel, and this is the first video on this new blogging series, how to start a new site and rank high on Google. Today I'm going to talk about one of the most crucial decisions when it comes to starting a blog, and that is choosing a perfect blog niche. In this video we'll go through steps to help you find the ideal niche for your blog. So if you are ready to kickstart your blogging journey, let's get started. I have chosen a niche for my new site, and I will tell you the niche I chose at the end of this video. There are 4 steps you need to put into consideration when you want to choose a niche for your blog or for the new site. One is you have to identify your interest and passion. You need to ask yourself, what are you truly passionate about? What topics do you find yourself constantly reading and researching? Your blog niche should align with your interests and passion in order to keep you motivated and engaged in the long run. You may ask, what if I go the other way around and choose a niche I think is profitable? Well, all I have to say to you is, love what you do if it is profitable. Then another thing you need to consider is the market research or market research demand, which is the traffic of that particular niche can pull. It is very important you make research about the niche you are about to start. You need to know, are there people who are interested in that topics you want to start, or are there existing blogs that cover similar topics? You can use keyword research tools to understand the search volume and the competition of your chosen niche. But before you do that, make sure you know your target. That is, who are the people you want to reach with your blog? What are their demographics or interests? You can know that by using Google Trends. Then the third thing you need to consider is to assess the competition of your niche. It is very important you assess the competition of your chosen niche. Look for existing blogs or websites that cover similar topics and analyze their content. The reason you should consider competition when choosing the niche: competition will determine how fast or how easy you can drive traffic to your site using SEO, that is ranking high on Google. Competition is what determines how fast or how long it will take for you to rank high or drive traffic to your site. So it's very important you consider the competition of your niche. All different niches are different competitions, so consider that before you choose a particular niche. And the last thing you need to consider when choosing a niche is how profitable it is. That is, can you easily make money from it? Different niches are different ways to make money for it. Some niches may have more opportunities for making money on it, such as affiliate marketing, sponsor content, or selling products or services. So make sure you research the different ways of making money on your niche before you choose the particular niche. But the truth is, once you can drive traffic to your site, you will definitely make money. Once your site starts ranking high on Google search results, you will make money. Now you have known the 4 things before you choose the particular niche. Now let me show you how to use these 4 things I have mentioned in choosing a niche for your blog. Let's say you want to go into the pet niche. Under the pet niche you chose dogs. So all you have to do is go to Google Trends and type in dogs. Then click on explore. So from this result you can see the trend of dogs. The trend of dogs. So all you have to do is to first of all change this. This is showing the result of dogs, the trend of dogs for the past day, that is the last 24 hours. So you have to change this to last 5 years, that's past 5 years. We want to see the trend. Is it going down or is it going up? Now you can see the trend has been uniform. The change is not that much. From this, I would say this is a good niche to target because it's not showing a decline. The trend is not showing a sharp decline. So it's a good niche to target. And let's say this is not the country you want to target. You can change the option here. Let's say United States. Where you want your target is United States. You scroll down and select United States. Let's see the trend in United States. Oh, you can see this seems it's very obvious that the trends of dogs in United States is higher than that in Nigeria. And let's assume that you don't have a particular country you want to target. You are confused of the particular country to target. You want to know where you're likely going to be getting most of your traffic from. All you have to do is to click on this again and click on worldwide. Since you don't want to know the countries that are interested in dogs, you click on worldwide. So generally, the interest of dog worldwide is okay. It's not showing a decline. It's not showing a sharp decline. So it's okay to target. Then let's scroll down and see the countries that are most interested in dogs. You can see the United States came number 1, followed by United Kingdom, Australia, Ireland, Canada. So these are the 5 top countries that are interested in dogs. Let's check more. New Zealand. These are the countries you are going to be getting traffic from. This is top 5 countries you will get traffic from. And let's say there's another thing you can do. There's another interesting thing you can do with Google Trends. Let's say you are confused about dogs, or you want to blog on cats, but you're confused, you don't know which one to go for. You can also use Google Trends to compare the two niche you want to go into. Let's say you want to blog on cats also. You click on this particular box, then type cats, and you can use it to compare the two. So you can see the interest in cats and dogs. So from this you can see that it's very obvious that people are more interested in dogs than cats. Then if you scroll down, let's see the country that is interested in dogs and cats. So if you start comparing these two, you can see people in India are more interested in dogs than cats. These are the 5 top countries that are more interested in dogs than cats. Let's go further. So if I were to choose a niche between cats and dogs, I would definitely go with dogs. Why? Because people are more interested in dogs than cats. And another reason I'm going to choose dogs to cats is it is more profitable than cats. How do I know it's more profitable than cats? If you look at the countries that are interested in dogs and cats, you discover that it is tier 1 countries, United States, United Kingdom, Australia. These countries are willing to buy products or services related to dogs. So it is very obvious that dogs will be more profitable to cats. Then you compare it to cats, you can see the countries are interested. It's almost the same ratio. So what if you remove dogs and and C for only dogs, and C for only cats. Let's see the results then. United States, New Zealand. So it's almost it's almost the same countries that appeared for dogs that also have interest in cats. But I will choose dogs because people are more interested in dogs than cats. Now, before I finally make the decision of choosing dogs over cats, I have to do one last thing, that is, I need to know the competition of dogs to cats. So I'm going to use any keyword research tool. For this, I'm going to use Ahrefs. I go to Ahrefs, type in dogs, then select the first country I saw in Google Trends. So I select it and click on find keywords. Then you can see dogs, the competition, the keyword difficulty is 82, then the volume is 1.4 M. So the least competitive keyword here for dogs is 18. So let's check that for cats. Let's check that for cats. Then this is for cats. For cats, the least competitive keyword here is 19 compared to dogs, which is 18. And the keyword volume for cat is 1.3 compared to dogs, which is 1.4. So with this, I can say the competition, the keyword competition or the keyword difficulty for dogs is easier than that of cats. So I'll go for the dog niche. But however, if I want to go for the dog niche, I am going to narrow down the niche, go for sub niche. So go for sub niches in dogs, for dogs, because generally this dog niche is competitive. You can see the only list keyword here is 18. So what will I do? I can decide to narrow it down to dog's food. I want to narrow down the niche to dog foods. That is how to make a competitive keywords less competitive, by narrowing down the niche. So you can see when I narrow it down to dog's food, you can see I can see a lot of keywords that are less competitive, but the only problem is it has low volume search. But that is not a problem. I'll rather go for a keyword, I'll rather go for a niche that is less competitive with low keyword volume than to go for a keyword that is highly competitive but have high search volume. So if I have to go for a niche, this is the niche I'm going to go for. This is what I'm going to target. The other sub niches in a niche, like this dog food, like under dogs, we have dog food, you can have dog pets, and so on. There are a lot of sub niches under dogs. So if I want to blog on this, I will narrow down my niche to the easiest. The reason you should always go for a niche that is less competitive is so that you will get results faster and easier, and that will give you a boost, that is encouragement to continue blogging. There's nothing as frustrating as blogging for a long time, doing all you can, and you're getting little or no result. It's very, very frustrating. If you go for highly competitive niche, that is what you're going to experience. It's going to take a longer time and effort and money and resources to rank for that particular keyword. But once you start ranking for that particular keyword, you'll be driving in a lot of traffic to your site. But that is not my way of blogging. I always go for low competitive keywords that I can easily rank at a very short time. So that is how to choose a niche for your site, for your new site. So after this video, all you have to do, using this method I've taught you, select a niche for your blog, and in the next video, just as I have said in the beginning of this video, I will tell you the niche I chose for my new blog. The niche I chose for my new blog is a movie review niche. So in the next video, I'll be showing you how you can choose the domain name for your new blog, and also how you can use the domain name to lower the difficulty of a keyword. Thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next video.